You can withdraw directly to your local bank account on this app. You don't need any registration. It is free of charge. Unlike other ones that will tell you to pay so amount before you'll be able to sign in. But this one, you don't need any fee. It is free. All you need is just to go to your Play Store, download the app, sign in with your Gmail account. Then you fill in your profile. After filling in your profile, they will give you a token of 0.01 cents. Yeah. No, after filling in your profile, then you need to link your bank account. After linking your bank account, they will start giving you tasks that you'll be doing. The task is very easy and simple. It's not too hard. You can select anyone that is convenient for you. You select and be doing. So this app is very easy and simple to navigate. I know a lot of you will be saying, this lady mentioned the app now. Chill. I'll mention the name of the app. Okay? So the lovely thing about this app is that you can withdraw from $2. Once you make $2, you can withdraw money from this app. And you know, as Nigeria is now, $2 is something close to 4,000 if I'm not mistaken now. 3,000 or 3,000 something. So it's something. Disclaimer, this app is not a money making app. It's just for support you in one thing or the other. If you're a student, it can help you to be taking your lunch or your transport. If you're a stay-at-home mom, it can help you to buy some things, at least groundnut money. Then if you're a nursing mother, it can also help you to buy Pampers. So it's not a money-making machine app. It's just a simple app that will help you to be getting some small income. Alright? So don't think that it's a money-making machine app. Alright? So, and another thing I love this app is that you can learn many things on this app. It has what is called Ella. That Ella is any question you ask, that's Ella. I don't know if it is he or she. It will respond immediately. Within 1 second, they have responded to your message. Not only about the app, because there are some this thing here that you see on that app about budgeting, recipe, entrepreneur, your health, your health, walking, workout, all those things. So if you have any question concerning those things, you just tap the one you need, ask the particular question you want to ask the Ella, and he or she will respond immediately. So that is one thing I love this app. Not only about the money aspect, but this one now. You can even ask how to prepare a particular meal. Sharp, to give you a response on how to prepare that particular meal, or how to go about budgeting of something. You understand? So that is one thing I love this app. So if you don't want to go eat because of the money aspect, the small income that you'll be getting from there, you can go eat because of this one now that I am talking about. Alright? Okay. Let me tell you people the name of the app. The name of the app is Rwazi. That's the name of the app. So you can earn from $2. Yeah, and when you make any referral, you also earn $2 from referring people. So once you download it, if you know of your friends, your family members that will be interested in the app, you can refer him or her to the app. And once the person signs in, you will get a bonus of $2. Isn't this amazing? It is. $2 is something. It will go a long way for you in this economy. So it's not too hard. The tasks are very easy. The one they brought out for me yesterday was to snap the things that are in my fridge. I should make sure that the brand's name show very well. So anything that is in your fridge, let's say banana, apple, juice, you know, yogurt, all those things that is in your fridge, just open your fridge, you snap it and submit to them. So when they review it, it's okay for them. You will get your reward. So if it's not okay, it's like you will not get your reward, because the one I did, I've not gotten the response. All right, so though I've not withdrawn on this app, but definitely I know that this one is legit. It's not like other ones that you will download after every all said and done, you will not be able to withdraw. This one, I hope one can withdraw with it. All right, but whenever I withdraw, I'll also come here and let people know that I've withdrawn the app. All right, so if you're a stay-at-home mom, student, someone that his or her income is little, you can go ahead and try this app. All right, try it. It will go a long way to help you. You can use my referral link. I'll paste it at the comment section. You can use it. If you don't want, you can go to your Play Store and download it. Alright, it's very easy and simple. You will withdraw to your local bank account or your mobile transfer or your PayPal. That are the 3 ways that you can withdraw. Unlike other ones, they will tell you PayPal or Pioneer, and when you don't have PayPal or Pioneer, it's very difficult for you to withdraw. But this one, you can withdraw to your local bank account. Very easy and simple. So what are you waiting? Come and join me. Let's make petty income that will support our families, that will support you as a student. All right, so like I said, this app is not a money making machine app. It's just to support you. All right, if you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Anyone I tried, I will come and give you guys update. All right, like I said, when I make withdrawal on this app, I'll come back here and let you people know about it. Thank you guys. Remain blessed. Bye. See you all in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. All right. Bye guys. I love you all. See you all in my next one.